Alright guys, good day! We are back again for a very great feature this very day. And first na naman of the many na features natin, and we have Sip Chew. O, sa inyo dira, nga pala, inom sa milk tea during the pandemic. Ako, ka-attest ko ako ng wife, pag niya ako ginapa-order, ako gakwa to sa dalom, sa Food Panda Rider, no? Kag subong, we are so blessed. Kay nga, ari si Ma'am Jen, who is gonna be showing to us and gonna tell us the story about Sip Chew. Ma'am Jen, thank you for having us.
Thank you so much.
So, sa inyo dira mga boss naton, base kaalabay ka mo diri sa may De Leon Street na di ma'am, no?
Jaime Street.
Jaime Street sa Barangay Luna, basta alagyan na siya diri pakadto dira sa may Robinsons. And sa front sang Wash
Love Laundry.
Wash Love Laundry. So makita niyo diri ang Sip Chew. Kag sa inyo man nga pala pala order online ara na sila sa may Food Panda, and now may ara nga good news cause Dory Delivery ang i-feature natin before si Sir Nathan Malorca has already integrated man sang Sip Chew sa ilang nga system. So pwede gid ka mo ka-order, and subong hindi na sa about sa akon or about diri, but this is about Sip Chew. Ma'am Jen, can you tell us the history of Sip Chew?
Started since 2019. Actually, yung kapatid ko talaga yung nag-isip ng name and everything about Sip Chew. So, then nasudlan kami sa pandemic.
Yes.
Actually, bigla kami nawala on track. Buti na lang may mga online platform which they can order online.
Yes.
So, then nagulat na kami, medyo kilala na siya.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
So there you have it, 2019 you started. Kaka-start nyo lang, biglang nag-pandemic.
Yes.
You talk about the challenges that you have during those times. Ano ba, Ma'am Jen, yung na-experience yung challenges during those times?
Actually, nanghina kami kasi akala namin hindi na kami makakastay in the business. But since we had other platform na where we can continue selling it, so yun yung mga tumulong sa amin. At the same time, doon nila mas lalong minahal si Sip Chew kasi mas nakilala nila. Kasi during that time kasi medyo lesser yung mga vendors na available.
Yeah.
So, isa kami doon sa nakilala during that time. Then, ang pinaka-struggle din naman is yung pagkuha ng stocks. Kasi during that time kasi limited lahat.
Yeah.
So, yun. Pero, thank God kasi na-overcome naman namin siya until that time na nag-amat-amat na siya open for walk-in.
Yeah.
So, yun.
So speaking about that siguro, Ma'am Jen, if you could turn back time, di ba? Siyempre, pandemic and this. And then what happened during those time na, uy, marami nang nag-order. So, could you give us a little bit of a simulation of what happened during those times? Ano ba yung real time na nangyari?
Yung time na yun pati, naging struggle pati namin kasi noon yung staff.
Yeah.
Kasi syempre nagsiuwian sila.
Yeah.
So, hands-on talaga kami. So, kami talaga lahat. Tapos, nung medyo nag-back to normal na, diyan na kami nag-amat-amat din dagdag ng tao. So, bigla na kami tumami.
Speaking about the online platforms, Ma'am Jen, it's really not that easy. Hindi na ibig sabihin na nandyan ka that it's already good. But what was really your selling point, or what was the difference? Bakit Sip Chew talaga yung in-order nila? Kasi pati yung wife ko, Sip Chew talaga yung in-order niya. What was the, I don't know if you could share this, siguro, no? A technique now we could have Dory Delivery already. You could download it sa app niya sa Google and Play Store. Pero what was ano ba yung ginawa niyong iba that made you boom popular agad na Sip Chew talaga yung kukunin namin?
Yeah, we make sure kasi na sa product, actually meron kami slogan na we started it authentic milk tea since day one.
Wow.
So, yun yung minentain namin na yung product, kung ano yung umpisa namin na minahal ng tao, yun yung kino-continue namin and ini-improve namin. So, hindi kami nagsiset dun sa mga mumurahin lang na brand. Although masarap naman sila. Pero, syempre, mas ini-maintain namin yung yung flavor namin is kaya mag-compete dun sa mga malalaking brands.
So, what was the wow product that you have during those times? Ano ba yung, you could name one or two na talagang yan yung palaging in order ng tao?
Okinawa.
Okinawa.
Kaya nga yung name niya is Famous Okinawa. Yan yung brand name namin. So, Famous Okinawa talaga siya.
So, Okinawa talaga.
Yes.
So, what made your Okinawa different from others? Kasi marami naman silang pwedeng bilhan.
I think it's about not just the flavor. It's about the tea that you use, the pearl that you use, and creamer, everything.
Tama yan, kasi yung pearl
yung
talaga,
perfect combination nila.
yung wife ko talagang extra pearls palagi. So, are you telling me during those times, kasi konti na lang yung manpower, you were the ones doing it hands-on with your brother?
Yes, kami talaga.
So, grabe, no? So, there you have it. At least, for me, I was just taking it from behind the scenes, pero ngayon, actual na talaga, na nakikita, okay, it was not just made very, na parang, okay na, kasi magaling sila, or no, it was, there was a struggle, there was also a breakthrough during the struggle. Siguro, Ma'am Jen, the thing that we also want that we're doing this in Brand Boss is for the next generation. Maybe they have an idea or maybe they have already a family business. Pero syempre ang pag-transfer for the next generation, we will be sharing this sa mga siguro ngayon high school pa lang, college pa lang. They wanted to start their milk tea business. Not just here in the city, baka they are from out of town. Ano ba yung mga tips and advices that you could give them?
Unang-una, first, dapat gusto mo yung ginagawa mo.
Okay.
Pangalawa, aralin mo. And yung pinaka-perfect recipe dyan is consistency.
Wow.
Kasi kung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, alam mo yung ginagawa mo, pero hindi ka rin naman consistent, useless lahat yung pagod mo from the start. So, siguro isa din yun sa nagustuhan din ng tao sa amin kasi we make sure that we maintain the quality that we first taste up to now.
Grabe, up to now. So, we will have a part 2 of this video maybe later para matikman natin ulit yung kanilang mga products. But speaking about this, Ma'am Jen, did you come from a family na nagbi-business talaga kayo since you were young, or you started this business with your brother lang?
No, I grew up with a family business. Actually, restaurant din siya.
Oh.
And growing up, nung na-involve ako sa business, ayoko. Kasi nakakapagod eh.
Yeah.
Siyempre nakikita mo yung parents mo, nagpupuyat sila, yung todo effort nila.
Yeah.
So talagang, although na-involved man ako during that time, I think I started since I was 14.
Wow.
Talagang, kahit ayaw ni daddy na mag-join ako dyan, pinipilit ko yung sarili ko. Then after that, naglipat kami dito sa Iloilo. We left behind at Bulacan. Pero,
Shout
I don't
out
know.
sa mga taga-Bulacan.
Alam po sa inyo. Pero, I don't know, dito pa rin ako dinala, Lord, sa business na to, sa field na to. Kahit na ayoko, pero ito talagang binigay niya sa akin.
So, did you think the business ethics and the business na mga tinuro ng mga parents mo has really played a major role in what Sipchu is now?
Yes. Kasi nakita ko talaga yung dedication nila and yung sabi ko nga, consistency is the key always. Tatandaan niyo yan. Consistency is the key. So nakita ko talaga sa kanila yon. So sabi ko, kailangan ma-apply ko din sa akin personal.
Yeah.
So ayun po.
Wow. So let's go naman ngayon, Ma'am Jen, maybe some of the viewers have not yet tried Sipchu or nakatry siguro once, twice, no? Now you could, again, pina-plug natin to, Dory Delivery. You could already upload it on your apps and then download it, Google and saka sa Play Store, and pwede na yung ma-avail yung Sipchu. But speaking about the products naman, Ma'am Jen, ano ba, this is gonna be like, okay, that's their first time to come in here at Sipchu. What would you recommend for them to eat or to drink?
Sa drinks, commonly ang kilala ng tao pagdating sa milk tea is Okinawa. Winter melon. So, based on my personal favorite is yung cheesecake series namin. Kasi yun talaga yung pinaka-bestseller namin.
Yeah.
Cheesecake series, especially yung red velvet. Don't forget that. So yun po. Pagdating naman sa food namin, actually, almost everything naman sellable, especially yung pork tonkatsu, shawarma rice, then yung mga snacks namin, like may bago kami, yung cheesy beefy fries, kag potato mojos. Then may mga waffles man kami. So, ang dami nilang pagpipilian. Pero hopefully soon, maka-launch man kami ng mga family food like sinigang, bihon gisado, chop suey. So, yun yung aabangan nyo.
Wow. So there you have it. Siguro Ma'am Jen, no, even the place, if you could see the place dire very kanamigid is di ka mo mupatinga sa sulod gali ang ang ilading nga place. So, Ma'am Jen, speaking about the place naman ninyo, sino ni ang nag-design sa interior sa inyong place?
Actually, we started here as bahay lang talaga.
Okay.
Kaso ngayon, shoutout, pwedeng shoutout.
No.
Shoutout po sa kapatid ko, si Sir Prince.
Shout out, sir.
So, kanila lahat na idea to. So, sila po yung nag-start talaga, yung nag-decorate, then in-improve lang natin. So, nagugulat nga yung mga tao kasi una, akala na bahay lang talaga eh. Pero pagdating na sa wow, may ganito pala. So parang ang pinakatawag nila dito is Sipchu Secret Milk Tea House.
So speaking about that again, your brother and you, medyo may mga challenges now in businesses, especially involving siblings, no? How do you maintain that great relationship with your brother? You could answer that or not, pero what I mean is, kasi maraming, kasi hindi ko yan feel. But we had interviewed Motorheads. Yung tatlo palang tao dun sa logo nila are three brothers also. They are siblings that they help one another. Sa inyo naman sa Sipchu, how do you maintain those ang good relationship nyo, business relationship with your sibling?
Actually, hindi rin ganun kadali kasi syempre may mga partner, kanya-kanya kaming partner. So, kung ano yung idea niya or idea ko na gusto namin sana pagsamahin, yung isa naman ayaw. So, inilileft behind lang namin dahil then later on, kung talagang yun yung makakatulong sa business, in-evaluate namin, kinapursa namin. So, about maintaining our relationships, since magkapatid kami, mag-aaway kami, pero at the end of the day, magkapatid pa din kami. So, walang ibang tutulong sa akin or walang ibang tutulong sa kanya, kundi kami lang talaga.
Wow. There you have it. At least that's really real from the heart of Ma'am Jen. Ma'am Jen, last na lang siguro. I know also, one of the things that we're doing this for me is for my I have already a 3-year-old and 1-year-old, and they will be watching this siguro paglaki nila. What would be your message for your kids, no? If they would be watching this maybe 2 years from now, 5 years from now, syempre in doing the business of Sipchu or anything that you want to tell them.
Hello sa inyong lahat, mga young generation. So, ang masabi ko lang sa inyo, kung ano yung desire ninyong gawin sa buhay ninyo, as long as makakabuti sa future nyo, ituloy nyo lang. Kasi yung mga parents nyo, ma-back up lang na sila at mag-support sa inyo. Pero always ask also the support from them and advice always. So, yun lang. Basta kung ano yung sa tingin mo makakatulong sa future mo, at makaka-help sa personality mo, gawin mo, pursue mo yan kasi hindi natin malalaman kung na-fit ka dun sa field na yan kung hindi mo susubukan at hindi ka babagsak. So, yung pagbagsak, challenges yan. So, nasa sa'yo yan kung paano mo siya i-handle. Pero sabi nga nila, hanggat hindi pa tugma sa'yo yung situation, ibig sabihin hindi pa yun para sa'yo. So, go lang ng go, laban lang.
There you have it. Grabe naman. Naging motivational speaker na si Ma'am Jen. Nakita mo, parang kailangan ko na ng Sipchu. No? What I mean is, there you have it. Baka gusto niyo Sipchu Talks with Ma'am Jen, we could have it here, set it up. Pero Ma'am Jen, could you invite our viewers to come in here and avail ng mga products and services niyo? What time are you open? And what days are you open?
Yeah, we are open from Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. up to 12 midnight. Hopefully, we could extend that until 3 a.m. soon. And we are located here at Jaime Street, Barangay Luna, Haro, Iloilo City. So, yung landmark namin is Robinson, then the Wash Love Laundry. So, yun.
So there you have it, Ma'am Jen.
Excuse.
Yes.
Available pala kami sa, pwede po kayong order online via Food Panda app, GrabFood, and our new platform is Dory Delivery.
Yeah, so there you have it. Ma'am Jen, siguro very, very, very last question. Let's go back to 2019.
Yes.
Will you still open Sipchu?
Yes, yes, yes. Malaki yung impact ni Sipcho sa buhay namin. Especially ako, I had 4 children. So, lahat sila kasi as much as possible as parents, gusto mo ipasok na sila sa mga magagandang school. So, si Sipcho yung tumulong sa amin para
Wow.
ma-fulfill namin yung responsibilities namin sa mga
Wow.
bata. At the same time, sa mga tao man na nakakasama
Wow.
namin dito.
Yeah. And I know your parents will be proud sa ginawa niyo.
Thank you.
Oo. So there you have it. Thank you very much. If you're a business and you want to be featured next, comment down below. Kag sa inyo ya nga wala pa nakatilaw ang Sipchu kagaram lang kamo sa balay niyo. You could order it on Grab, on Food Panda. Now they have Dory delivery or kadto na kamo diri kung galabay man lang kamo diri pakadto sa may Robinson's Haro nga street, sa Jaime Street sa kadto na kamo diri sa Sipchu or message them sa ilang Facebook page and they would be more than willing to accommodate everybody. So thank you very much Ma'am Jen
Thank you
for having
so
us.
much.
Kag dira makita ninyo ang sincerity kag ang ambience ng Sipchu nagahalingid sa kung diin nagsinogid ang mga tag-iya sa inyo. And shout out man sa kay Sir Prince.
Kay Sir Prince.
God bless you Sir Prince and hoping to meet you soon no personally base maka get in touch mata. This has been Pedro and this has been Brand Boss with Ma'am Jen and Sipchu. God bless everybody.
Thank you.